OnePlus has announced that it will be launching the Nord CE4 smartphone in India on Monday, April 1, 2024 at 18:30 IST. The Nord CE4 will feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chip. OnePlus claims it offers 15% improvement in CPU performance, 50% boost in GPU performance, and 20% improvement in power saving. The Nord CE4 will come in two options. The dark chrome variant features a glossy finish with shiny gradient across the surface. The Celadon Marble variant has a light green color with a marbled texture, similar to the OnePlus 11 Marble Odyssey Edition, also known as the Jupiter Rock Edition. Chipset: Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, 4 nanometers. CPU: octa-core. GPU: Adreno 720. Card: microSD. Built-in: 128GB 8GB RAM. Display type: AMOLED. Screen size: 6.7 inches. Resolution: 1080 by 2412 pixels. Design and build. Dimensions: dash. Weight. Dash. Color: black, green. Main camera: dual. 50MP plus 2MP features. LED flash. Video: 4K at 30 fps. Front camera: single. 16MP video. 1080p at 30 fps. Battery: USB Type-C battery. LiPo 5000 mAh, non-removable. Fast charging. Fast